Hey folks, this is Jeff Mitchell, Pilson Auto. Wanted to show you one of our fresh trade-ins. This is a 2004 Chevy Avalanche. I've never seen any Avalanche near 10 years old that looked this good. Not the least bit of corrosion on the wheels. These folks kept up the plastic on this with some special Meguiar's wax that you put on plastic. Kept it looking brand new. The wheels are outstanding for being a 2004. This vehicle also has just over 100,000 miles. Runs perfect. Show you the inside real quick. Does have four-wheel drive. This is also the Z71 package with the off-road suspension. He just took the Z71 stickers off of the back.
Right before the harvest. I'm not going to give you credit for the vacuumers.
Any questions on this Avalanche or any other vehicles? Go online, look at the information we put up there, or give me a call. Website is pilsonauto.com. Or you can call myself, Jeff Mitchell, 217-238-6738.